1,000 Airtm cashiers make on average 750 USDC per month. Hello guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech back with another video. In today's video, we will be talking about Airtm as a platform and how you can earn up to $750 monthly just by validating transaction on this platform. There is an option which called Airtm Cashier where you can work on this platform basically like I said and earn up money. But before we jump into this video, I would like for you guys to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel because we're trying to hit 1K at least before this 2025, I mean the new year. And if there is like any question you want me to answer about this particular video or any previous video or anything related to working online or side hustles, then I'm available as usual, whether that be on my social media or like I said, you can leave your queries down below. I will try to answer them all. But yeah, back to our main topic. Airtm, for those who don't know, it's a platform. It's a P2P platform where you can actually transact your currency from a bank to another or from an e-wallet to another. Basically, there's plenty payment methods that you can send and receive money from. And since it is a P2P network, guys, these transactions need to be validated by another user. So that's why there is an Airtm Cashier program. And with this program, like I said, you will be validating these transactions and getting a commission for each successful transaction that you validate. There is this guide on how you can become a cashier on Airtm. I'm gonna leave it in the description down below, but I will try to guide you also throughout this video. If there is like any misconception, like I said, you can drop them in the comments, or you will just refer to this guide for answers. Again, for the earnings, as you can see, guys, this is by Airtm statistics. The top 1,000 Airtm cashiers make on average 750 USDC per month, which means, like I said, the top 1,000 make about $750 a month. So do you if you work successfully on this platform. So without wasting any time, let's just get on with the steps on how you can create an account, then apply for the cashier program. First thing first, click on join now here, guys, and it will take you to the account sign up here. Just select your country. Let's just select our country for an instance here, and just select the type of your account you want, click personal and click on continue. Then you can sign in with your email or choose one of these social accounts to sign up with. Once you do that, you will be taken to the Airtm Cashier where you will need to verify your account and just get done with some basic info like your phone number, your name, and you will have to validate your account. Basically, upload an ID card or a passport in order for Airtm to validate your account or to verify your account, basically. But yeah, that's literally the steps. It's so easy, so we will not be wasting so much time on it. I will meet you in my dashboard once I'm logged in. This will be your dashboard on Airtm, guys. Here you can see your balance. Here there are like the different methods where you can add money, withdraw money, or send or request money from another Airtm user. And there are like other methods here. We will just cover them in another video, but we will just focus on how, like I said, create an account and apply for the cashier program. That's what we will focus on this video. The first thing that you need to do is just click on your settings, and it will take you to your settings. What you need to do, like I said before, go to verification. If you did not verify your account, verify your account, please, because otherwise you cannot work on the Airtm cashier program if your account is not verified. Then go to the payment methods and select the payment methods that you want to work on as an Airtm cashier. For an instance, we have Pioneer USD, we have our local currency, we have Wise USD and Wise Euro, PayPal balance, and more than $15 balance, and less than $15 balance. Just click on add new, and from this section here, just if you have like a specific bank that you want to work with, click on bank and type in the name of your bank here, and it will show up. select your country and select the bank. If it is a cryptocurrency that you want to work on, click on cryptocurrencies and do the same. Add Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever you fancy, gift cards, etc. You get the idea. Once you do that, guys, just head back to home, and one of the conditions that you need to meet is you need to at least do 5 transactions with the selected payment method that you want to work on. Let's say, for example, you want to work with PayPal. You need to actually either add money or withdraw money to PayPal using RTM. You need to at least do 5 transactions with RTM using PayPal. That's one of the stipulation that is given to us by RTM. As you can see in this guide, how do I become a cashier? In order to become a member of our cashier community, you need to complete the following steps. Open and verify your account, which we said you have to do. At least wait 72 hours, 3 days, and complete the points indicated in this article. Once you click on that, it will take you to the points, like I said, that you need to do. Verify your account, add a payment method, which again I mentioned in this video. Perform at least 5 transactions with each of the payment methods that are open and you wish to activate. For the open payment methods, click on this market status link, and it will show you all the payment methods that are open for you in your country specifically. So yeah, like I said, you need to actually perform 5 transactions. As you can see, for PayPal Small, which is less than $15, it is open, and you need to actually perform 5 transactions before you can start working on PayPal. So you get the whole premise of being a cashier or working as a cashier on RTM. You need to perform these simple tasks: open your account, verify it, then add a payment method, then at least do 5 transactions in that payment method. How you do that? Again, like I said, click on add, for example, here, then click on skip. Let's just skip this part right here. And if you want to add money through your PayPal, just click on add PayPal, for example, in here, and select the amount that you want to add. Then click on continue, and another peer will just validate these transactions, and you'll have your balance shown up top in this area. That's how you perform a transaction with RTM. Same thing goes for withdrawal method. If you have money, for example, in your balance and you want to withdraw it, click on withdraw and do the same steps. Select the payment method you wish to withdraw to, or the bank account you wish to withdraw to, and click on PayPal, for example. And for example, you are trying to withdraw $100, you will receive $97 dollars or $98 on your PayPal account. Like I said, guys, perform 5 transactions with RTM, and once you do that, the I am a cashier option will be shown to you in the sidebar right here. Click on it, and you can go into this market. As you can see, we don't have any available transactions, and that's what you will be seeing for the most part. But what you need to do is just just refresh the page. At times it will not show you the transaction there is, but as you can see, there's like a load of transactions that needs to be done. Before we start validating these transactions, there are like certain things that you need to do before going and start making this money. Again, like I said before, there are 2 types of transaction: withdraw transaction and add transactions. And as you can see here, you have the payment methods, the amounts, and the exchange rate. And there is like the peer, the info about the peer, and the rate, and you can accept the transaction from here, and you start validating these transactions from this section or this button. But as I mentioned before, you just need to stick to 2 to 3 payment methods. For example, let's just say you'll just need to work on Payoneer and Wise and maybe PayPal. And I would love for you to start with like small amounts. For example, you will just work on PayPal, start with small amounts, then scale your earnings down the line once you gain that experience. But let's just talk about the earnings for 1 second. Like I said, the currency in RTM is the USDC, which is the equivalent to the USD dollars. So you will need to deposit money in your RTM account to start again like I said, working on these transactions. For each transaction made, successfully validated and made, you will receive a commission, and that commission depends. So let's take this one for example. As you can see, we will be giving this guy a 51 USDT from our account, and we will be receiving $66. So the difference is about $15 with this transaction. And as you can see, you will be profiting of these transactions. Like each transaction will gain you about like 15 to like $20, which is good. However, you cannot work on every transaction. Like I said before, there are possibility for you to get scammed on this platform. So there are some safety measures that you need to take in, or that you need to be aware of before we start accepting transactions. You need to actually first look for a peer that has some good rating and did some exchanges before. As this guy here, he has 14 transactions and 5-star rating. These are the key elements that you need to be looking for if you're trying to accept a transaction from somebody. You need to look for the number of transactions and the stars rating. This highlightly will be indicating that this user is trustworthy and he will not scam you. And the second thing, I would suggest you not to start with big amounts. Just start like from $50 to $40, and like I said before, scale that up once you get a grasp on like the basics of this platform. Basically, focus on one payment method. Like I said, focus on PayPal or Payoneer or your local bank account if there is one, and you can branch out to other payment methods. The earnings can be big, guys. The earning can be big, like I said before. For example, let's take another example. This guy is looking for 147 USDC, and he will be giving us $200 in Amazon USD. So the difference is literally $15 if we can perform this task, or validate this transaction, excuse me. So as you can see, guys, the earnings are so big and everybody can leverage that one. Let me just touch real quick on something here, which is the filter technique. You can filter by, first and foremost, the type of transaction, which is like withdraw or add. If you want to work on the withdraw transaction only or the add transaction only, the amount, you can filter here the amount, the payment method. Like I said before, if you want to work on a specific payment method, a bank, a crypto, e-wallet, whatever. Let's say, for example, we want to work with PayPal. We just type in PayPal in this section, and we have PayPal less and more than $15. Let's just do less in this section and click apply filter, and it will filter the only transaction where there is PayPal being asked for. As you can see, this guy is asking for $15 USDC, and he will be giving us $18. So we can take on this request and just work on it. And this guy has good and decent transactions and a good stars rating as well. Also, you can filter by peer rating. Like I said before, you can filter by 2 stars, 3 stars, and obviously 5 stars. Let's just do 2 stars for now, and let's remove the PayPal filter, and this will filter the somewhat moderate and average trustworthy peers on this platform. As you can see, we have about 15 requests available, which you can start and validate. Like I said before, guys, and I keep highlighting this, you will be receiving commissions on every successful transaction that you validate, guys. You will be receiving the money on your bank account or e-wallet account or wherever, plus the commission. There is always a commission, guys, when you validate a transaction. So this is like the basics, or like the basic, yes, rundown of how you can first open an account on Airtm, and second, just how to apply for the Airtm Cashier program and start working on it. This will be it for today's video. In the next video, I will be showing you how to take on these transactions and how to validate them, and how you can actually properly work on Airtm without getting scammed. For an instance, now you can just log in or sign up, excuse me, and just explore this page. And if you feel adventurous, you can start with some little amounts and discover this this site on your own. Like I said before, it's just a very good opportunity for people that are looking for some side hustles and for some work from home, and if you want to, you know, to make some decent bucks basically while you are sitting at home. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, drop a comment, and kindly subscribe to this channel. That will help us immensely. Take care of yourselves, guys, and see you in the next one.